I had a brother once was a soldier and stuff, like into njengalezo. So igani kwaba into engiyaziyo before estradini, so igani bengilazele ejardini, AK program bengilazele ejardini, understand this thing. Then leyana ke kwaba umuntu oshonayo while we were still in Western area, otherwise Oliven besivakasha. Because of mina ufika wami Oliven bukune gang kuthiwa ma West. So lezana besihluphile kwaziyo ukuthi lizahlupha lezi. Mina I had to be framed of something that I've never done. Or kwathiwa ngumuntu, understand this thing. And I was not even around to that location makuthiwa ngumuntu and stuff, like, you understand. So already she's not a Muslim and stuff, like umuntu othembela esintwini straight and stuff, like, so utsemava abantu kuthiwa kunomoya omubi ongilandelana nanto njengalezo, yabo. Then mina ukhanda shisa man, yabo. Into engitshela ngimangayo man, ayinabangijwayela amasimba la. A reason why kwathiwa mina yimi engincumela Cleverian is because of sajola ichiri one nanayo. So kunqumeka leyana kwathiwa yimi because of mina ngincumela izifeeling suwava eJozi. Right, like case leyana mfuthu emela nana into njengalezo ngiyenza ngiyayiceda la case. You understand this thing? Ngiyaceda la case because of kube nama witnesses abakhona to say akusumzali. Umzali xa umuntu so wenza kaso so understand this thing. So iceda kanjalo le case, yabo. You understand? But sharp then ikasi kuthiwa leto sikhulume court, right? Sharp ekasi kuthiwa mina ngumbulali. Futhi kulabantu mfethu mina ngumbulali. So kwaba ne scheme esiformayo for me. You understand? So mina I had to defend myself ngegani. Eprogram badubulile abaningi, eh? Kodwa ngingabadubule just for fun, yabo. Angithi manje bengigwala, ngiziphuphu, yabo. So bengishaya kakhulu, yabo this thing. But I benginceda to defend myself. Yeah, to defend myself. Bengabaleki. Bengilitsho program, bengishaya 60, bengibiza ngo9 bullet ngisakhula. Yabo bengibiza ngo9 bullet. Bale story ukuthi 9 bullet program bengithi mangithi ngikushaya ngabe ngikushova ngayo 9 bullet. So ngaduma kanjalo. Uthi man liyana madubula yabo this thing. Ola sharp angene ebhathwini bro. Oh sharp mangikhuluma ngebhathu bro, ngikhuluma hijacking bro. Then ngaba umuntu uthi wazini ngova email. Kuba nabantu igana abanalo, kuba nabantu shoot iplug enginayo abanayo. You understand? So mina bayenzeni bafikishare mina emasini. Ngintwana yaspina yageleza mfethu. Yabo. So mina nale yami mfethu saskimana rough. Saskimana rough sisigabharize ezinye lezi ngathi zina plug lezi, yabo this thing. Senza sometimes senza ukwenze. So sicova in lifestyle yava yaseJozi lethava ngayePitori. Mfethu ukushuthi besimosha bro amalondlela with bro ami skitrek sashawa ke na la skitrek. Feel I will never say the location where ngasha skitrek khona mfethu about this thing, and there's a time where futhi nakhona siwe garage. Garage apha siwe garage kanje mina ngise ku driver side. Liyakithi engilandela le bangibiza twin nanayo. Yephethe umshini yabo. Sifike garage iyahlika mesingabo gwaya. So kunabo khata la. So manginabo khata kanje umzala ami lokhabhiza khomba izinto. You understand? Lo muntu olayithilini bro ubona umshini. So le yama iphuma kanje utshela bobaba. Kudala manje umshini. So mina le yama ingene ekareni ngithi ayimfethu kwenzakala ngikho abantu bakhombana ngawo. Esa umshini ngithi ashaya car siphuma.